Are you so happy?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at these little polar bears.
Oh, look at that.
Who is this right here with a glowing nose?
I don't know.
You don't know who that is? You don't know? Really?
That's no.
Yeah. All right, let's go this way. Let's see if they have any of Maximus's blow-ups. Look at that helicopter one. That's the 20-foot Grinch. Don't mess with their tethers, okay? And they got trees and a bear. Pop goes the bear. You going to look at the snowmans? Is that your friend? You want me to take a picture of you with them?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my phone.
Like that.
Well, hold on. Let me get my phone to work. Those are cute little penguins, pingies. All right, smile. Smile with them. Yay. Okay, come on. We got to keep going through the walkway there. You see the arches over here? Yeah, go this way, over here. Uh-oh, one tree's off. Oh no. Look at that one. That one's pretty, isn't it? Look at it. They have the Pengy family like Maximus does. You see that tall Grinch? Look how big it is compared to you. That's how big Maximus's snowman is. Could you imagine having a snowman that tall? Yeah. All right, let's go this way. Look at these presents.
And that one's not up.
Oh, what happened? That's a little archway one. Look at the candy canes. This one's down. Sad day. What else?
There's a wheel.
Look at the little truck right here. There's wheels. You hear them? Look, it says Santa's. Uh-oh, watch the tethers. Santa's snack wagon. Oh, there's an elf popping up. That is so cute. Oh my God, that's so cute. And then he goes back down. And there's a little reindeer over here. That is so cute. Here he comes again, I think. Here he comes.
Look at his hat.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Do you want to go look at this truck over here?
Yeah, but that's not cool.
I think that Maximus has this one, doesn't he? Uh-oh, the tether.
Okay.
That one's cute. Can I take a picture of you with it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Me. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, hold on. It's not focusing on you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What is that face, Abraham? Look at me. Stop moving. Okay, come on, Fred. Let's see what else we got. Look at that. That's beautiful. You want to go see the baby Jesus scene?
Yeah. So cool.
Yeah. That's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at that one.
That one twinkles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one over there.
Oh. It's so beautiful. Look at the baby Jesus. You want to walk over there? We can walk over here. You want to walk through here?
Yeah.
On this little walkway? Oh. Look at baby Jesus. You can't step up there. What do you think of it? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Look at this big old cow here.
That's so good. And that's her baby.
Yeah, that is Mary and baby Jesus and Joseph. Except that's a ginormous baby Jesus for all these adults to be so small. I'm just saying. He's huge. He's like half the size of an adult. He was like born a toddler or something. That is incorrect.
Look at this big lamb.
Like the baby Jesus is as big as the lamb, dude. Yeah.
Look at his feet.
Yeah. Do you love this? Is this so awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna walk back through the blow-ups? I think Aunt Maddie was working, she said, and maybe she'll come walk through them again with us. There's nothing that way. There's nothing that way, baby.
Let's go.
Do 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 do. He is in heaven. What? You want to go back over there? Well, hey, if it's not too late, I don't know what time Lowe's closes, but we could go and look at their blow-ups. Oh, you gotta watch out for the tethers. Oh my God, you're gonna pull the tethers up. Where does it go to? We gotta make sure it's still intact.
It's right here.
No, this one, there's another one on that side. Okay, yeah, it's still down there. There's one right there, be careful. I know they're hard to see. It's okay. It's just sad that this one's down. I don't know what happened to it. You love this one, don't you?
Yeah.
You love him?
Yeah.
Here he comes. He's gonna come up. Like, he completely goes down in there and disappears. And then, boom. There he is. And he lights up on the inside.
Oh, look at his hat.
Yeah, see, he way goes down in there. Like, he sits all the way down in that thing and you cannot see him.
Look at this thing.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
No, all of them. Oh, my.
Are you so happy?
Yeah.
Do you want to go look at those over there again? You want to look at these little light ups here? You didn't look at those. The little ones in the front? Like the pingy? Watch out for tethers for any of the blow ups. The pingy's unplugged or something. But these little polar bears, that was one of Mimi's favorite animals, is the polar bears. Ooh, they're so pretty. You love all of this? The Grinch is huge.
Yeah, the Grinch is not on. No,
The
the Grinch is not.
Grinch is not on.
Look at this Christmas tree.
Oh, wow. That is a humongous Christmas tree, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
light up.
Look at there.
Mm-hmm. What is that? What does that say? But what does it say? You say it all the time. What does it say?
Look at his nose.
Look at his nose. Do it again. Look at his nose again. Why can't you? I'm trying to take pictures of you while I'm videoing you at the same time. Oh, okay. It's real cold out here. Oh, this little guy would have been cute. It's like crystallized and has little vintage light ups. It has a pangy in it?
Yeah.
Why is it all foggy in there?
I don't know.
Is the pingy driving it?
No. Look at the top of it.
Okay, you done? Why does the Grinch not light up all the way? He's just got to light in the bottom of him. Do you see their names? Look, every one of them, I didn't even realize that till just now. It says, you know, hold on, we'll start right here. You know, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Who's that?
Look at his nose.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. What are you doing?
I'm looking at these ones.
Oh, you love them? You love them so much? Yeah.
Look at the good.
We're going back to look at the Grinch again. Yes, it says naughty or nice. I just noticed that too. Naughty or nice.
This is my Christmas place, Mom.
Is this your favorite Christmas place? Yeah. You gonna go to the car and go drive around and find some more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got one big line.
What did you say?
This is like I look at this lady.
Uh-oh. I'm tripping over something. Little piggy's off, little trees are off. You love this one. It's your favorite blow up, isn't it?
The outcome.
Is he coming?
Yeah. This is hey you.
I see it.
Cookie man.
Cookie Man.
Yeah.
Is it not a pingy?
Oh no. Oh, you got Santa.
You love Santa?
Oh, here's the monster.
Yes. It's not real, is it? Not very furry. All right, we gotta watch out for the tethers and go back on the walkway, okay? Do you want to go back to the car, go right around and find some more?
But I want to go in this
What?
one.
Okay, look at that one. But you gotta go around the tether. That is just lighting up the truck right there. The Santa's snack wagon. So you can see it better. I know that one's not up, but it's okay. We're gonna go find some more, okay? It's getting cold. Let's go, and maybe if Lowe's is still open, we'll go inside there and look at theirs, okay?
Okay, now we'll go look at the
Yeah, let's go this way so we don't step on any tethers. We're gonna go look at Lowe's. We gotta get in the car to drive there. Okay? You want what? We're gonna go there.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Christmas.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, Christmases. I wish Maddie would have come out here, but I don't want to go in there.
And there?